Hi guys, welcome and welcome back. Long time no see. So, here as you can see, and from the title, I'm just getting ready on a very cloudy day in London. So, this is how I get ready generally when the weather switches from warmer to cooler. The products change, the way I apply the makeup, it changes. So, as the way we use our makeup, that also needs to be changed, right? So, please bear with me until the end. I am not gonna walk you through the steps because you can easily see what I'm doing here. But if there are certain key things that I want to mention here. Number one, please use primer according to your skin type. And please use a makeup setting spray as well in between steps. That is the way you can lock in everything, and throughout the day, you will not have to touch up your face at all whatsoever. So, whatever products you see me using here, these are the products that I reach for when I need to last my makeup for a good 8 to 10 hours. Because, yeah, obviously, when you are on vacation, you do not have time to switch your makeup and then reapply, touch up, this, that, etc., etc. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. But whenever I want my makeup to last really long, I make sure that I use cream products first and then I set them with the corresponding powder products. I always try to warm up any cream products on the back of my hand before I apply it on my face. That way, the product gets, I would say, easier, to apply onto your face, and it just doesn't stick to one patch of my face. And all the products that you see me using here, they're all my favorite. So obviously, when I'm traveling, I do not try to use anything new because I just do not want things to go south when I'm outside. And yeah, oh, this blush, it looks so good. This is, by the way, the Rare Beauty Worth, I think. And it looks so good on our skin tone, like the medium brown skin tone. And of course, it looks good on variation of skin tones, but particularly on me, I really, really like it. This powder, as you can see, I'm going to use two powders. One is a powder foundation like this one. This I want to use all over my face because this adds a little bit more coverage. And I do not want my face to look cakey at all. Even though you see I'm layering a lot of products, at the end, I'm going to show you how natural and even looking the face looks. And my Charlotte Tilbury, oh wait, this is how heartbreak looks like, you guys. I mean, I have been traveling last quite a few months. I've been traveling at a stretch, and then this has been lying in my makeup bag and it broke, but then that could not even stop me from traveling with it again. But yeah, this is one of my favorite steps, a glowy bronzer to marry everything that I've used on the face. And this is where she is zooming you guys in just to show how flawless and even looking the skin looks. Brows, always my favorite part, I would say, other than highlighting. Remember this eyeshadow palette that I shared with you when I got it? I was so excited to get my hands on this. And this, Natasha Denona, never disappoints, never. And here I'm not actually trying to achieve any new eye look. This is what I generally do always. Just creating some depths, and then on top of it, I'm gonna go in with my favorite glitter, which is from Urban Decay, the Space Cowboy. I mean, on camera, it doesn't do justice, but in real life, your eyes will sparkle like glitter and diamonds, even for a fall. So yeah, and I also put it underneath my eyes as well so that it opens up my eyes and my eyes look more awake. Time difference, guys. It just makes me feel sleepy and look sleepy all the time when I'm traveling. Tide lining. See how my lash line looks fuller without having to use any eyeliner whatsoever. If you are not using your lip liner even now, this is your sign. Line your lips, you guys. That's gonna make the biggest difference. I'm not gonna use any lipstick, but this is my favorite product for a plump, juicy looking lips. And yeah, that's it. This is my, I think, second or third day hair, but it still looked good, eh? Oh, look at that glowy, juicy looking face. I really hope you guys have enjoyed spending time with me today. Until next time, bye.